Molweni, nguSingatha Roto lona, owner yeMojo Corner. IMojo Corner ifumaneka eDurban Village. IMojo Corner is where we do bride meat. It's a chisanyama basically. The idea or the concept say Kalambo 2022 on the 27th of May. The 27th of May this year will be completing the 4 years. Ngiyabuzwa kwaqhubana, how did I think of the idea yavela njani the whole thing? Sometime in April 2022, I visited Cape Town and I got inspired to come figure Cape Town ibona how people are doing business, just informal, nothing serious. They want an idea and I thought, hey, maybe Lendo can come back and implement it up in Monty. And here again, I realized there's a gap. Chisanyama, wooden, that's it. Wood bride meats every month other than as a guest. That's how the idea actually started. Mojo yakula. Day by day, we are seeing new faces. Every day, we are seeing new clients with new needs. So we try by all means, we want to match to as it needs. There's a lot that is coming in when it comes to what Mojo Corner is going to offering. Even in the new year, to take a slight change to cater for most needs around the city. Why you not telling myself in all of things and all of that? Basically, that's what you guys can expect from Mojo. Mojo is going from strength to strength. We're pushing by all means in the sending you the best experience. You can see Chisanyama, Pavitanizer, and Mojo. Mojo is situated at 174 Douglas Smith Highway, Duncan Village. 174 Douglas Smith Highway, Duncan Village. Siyafumaneka ke ku Facebook Mojo Corner, siyafumaneka ku TikTok under Mojo Corner. Thank you.